it's me. I'm joined by the fabulous Ollie. Ollie, come here. I'm joined by the wonderful Ollie today, who has agreed to be a model for me, doing a competition piece. Woohoo! Now, I haven't actually tried this before, because my practice date got screwed up. Oh, don't worry, it's fine, it's fine. So we're basically gonna see how this goes, work by the recipe, see what happens. The idea is to be a kind of disemboweled torso section, but it may end up being a general mess. So, you ready? Come on. Brilliant!
Hi guys, it's me. I am so sorry for the delay of however many months it's been. Oh, usual excuses. College is amazing and really draining. You would not believe this is my first weekend from September to actually make videos. You will also notice that this is an old video, taken from 2016 sometime. I'm hoping to finish editing the last of my old content before I can get new stuff out. However, I am on the makeup course of my dreams at the minute, and so there's plenty of new stuff for you guys coming soon. Bear with me, I know it's slow, I'm trying my best. Anywho, here I am applying latex straight from the bottle, so not diluting it, onto the model's chest, and on top of that putting a single sheet of cling film, drying it, and putting more latex on top. This might sound strange, but this will form an envelope which I will cut open like an autopsy later and then put the intestines inside. You're just gonna have to keep watching for that to make sense. Don't worry about it. A big thank you to my glamorous assistant and younger sibling, Abby, who helps me out so much in this video. Thank you, baby. And my model, Ollie. With the prosthetic dry, I set about cutting Ollie's t-shirt and making an incision from his tummy button, belly button, whatever you call it. Personally, belly button works for me. Cutting up there and to his sternum. It was at this point we ran into difficulty because Ollie is very skinny, so we had to put cotton wool under the shirt just to bulk out his chest a little bit more. Otherwise the organs would look too 3D and it wouldn't really work. As I said, a huge thank you to Abby, who actually painted the intestines for me. She did a very good job, actually. I love you lots, my darling. And for this I am using, or she is using, Snazaroo watercolours 18mm, as in all my other videos, typically red, black and yellow, I think. Anything to get a really gross and fleshy kind of colour. I tend to find those three work best. With the painting half done, I take over, just to fill in the details. With the actual intestines done, it's time for the fun bit, painting blood. Call me morbid, but this is always my favourite bit. For this I'm using a wall painting paintbrush, and dabbing that around the t-shirt, and golden syrup to bulk out bodily fluids. This is fine provided you don't ingest it, but I find golden syrup is brilliant for just pussy, liquidy, bodily, yuck. Although it is very sticky, so if you're gonna use it, just be careful of that. And at this point I am just smearing different colours together and making it look as disgusting as I can, really. It's my favourite part of any job. Now that I'm satisfied with the golden syrup and paint, I'm going in with fake blood just to add even more blood to it.
That's 5 Delirious, Yama 13 Central. 5 George K. 5 George K. 5 George K. 496 Broadway between Broome and Spring. F1. 1 Scooter Pussy. Borden Wall Scooter, Borden Wall. Available 1 unit for Simon, holding around number 30 Broad Street, 1022. 13 Sergeant 1 Central. 15 Sergeant 1 10. Available 1 unit for Simon, holding around number 30 Broad Street, 1022. 6 years with us.